Hello everyone, this is the ongoing series of your computer organization. So in the last class, we have already discussed about restoring division method, and hope all of you cleared about the concept. If you have any doubts, then in any time you can ask me. Today we will discuss another division method that is known as my non-restoring division method. What is the difference between these two type of division method? Now in case of restoring division method, the value of A is restored in each iteration, but in non-restoring division method, the value of A is not restored. So this is the main difference between your restoring and non-restoring division method, and the algorithm is slightly different from your restoring division method. So what the algorithm and what are the different steps involved in non-restoring division method? So let us start. So it is less complex than the restoring one because simpler operations are involved. That is addition and subtraction. Also new restoring steps is also performed. In this method, main importance given to the sign bit of the register, which is first initialized with 0, and the register is named as A. Okay, so see what is the different steps involved in non-restoring division method. See, if I can directly go to the problem, then you can easily understand, but see the different steps. First, the register are initialized with the corresponding value. Same concept is there. Q is dividend, M is the divisor, A is initialized with 0, N means number of bits in dividend. Okay. First, check the sign bit of the register A. Okay, sign bit means the MSB bit, most significant bit. If the sign bit is A 1, if it is 1, then left shift the content of A and Q, then perform A is equal to A plus N. Okay, first check the sign bit of register. If the sign bit is 1, that is means the number is negative, then left shift A and Q and perform A is equal to A plus N. Otherwise, shift left AQ and perform A is equal to A minus M. A is equal to A minus M means add 2's complement of M to the 8 and store it to A. What I have already told you, A is equal to A minus M is the same as A is equal to A plus 2's complement of M. Okay. Again, the sign bit of register A is checked. If the sign bit is 1, Q0 value is 0. If the sign bit is not 1, Q0 becomes 1. Okay. And what is Q0? Q0 is nothing but my least significant bit, the LSB bit of register Q. Okay. Decrement the value of N by 1. If N is not equal to 0, go to the step 2 and perform all these steps. After performing all these steps, or N value becomes 0, check the sign bit of A is 1 or 0. If it is 1, then perform A is equal to A plus M. Then register Q contains quotient and A contains the remainder. Let us discuss one small example. Divide 7 by 3. 7 is by mistake, it is not there. But divide 7 by 3 by non-restoring division method. Q is 7. Q means the dividend. Okay. Dividend is 7 and this is 0, 111. M is the divisor. M is the divisor and M value is 3 and the binary representation of 3 is 0011 and the ones complement of 0011 is 1100, and if I add 1 to this value, then I will get the 2's complement of this number, and the 2's complement of 0011 is 1101. and A is always initialized with 0. So let us check the different steps involved in non-restoring division method. Okay, so in the first step, first A is initialized with 0. Okay, 4-bit representation, and this is the Q. Okay, Q 0111. So what is the first operation? The first operation is shift, left shift. If I perform left shift on A, then this 0 is totally lost. This 0 comes here, this 0 comes here, and this 0 comes here, and 0 comes here. Okay, and 1 comes here, 1 comes here, 1 comes here. Due to the left shift operation, 1 bit is lost, so Q0 is not present. Then perform A is equal to A plus, then perform A is equal to A minus M. Why I am performing A is equal to A minus M? Because here sign of A is 1. If sign of A is 1, perform A is equal to A minus M, that is nothing but A plus 2's complement of M, 1101. Okay. Since here sign of A is 1, that is MSB bit is 1, Q0 is taken as a 0. Okay. So first, again I am telling, this is the A value and this is the Q value. First operation is left shift. So this is left shift. Then perform A is equal to A minus M. A is equal to A minus M is same as A is equal to A plus 2's complement of M. That is the value 1101. Since the sign bit of A, the MSB bit of A is 1, it is changed to 0. Then in the second step, this is 1101 and this is 1110. Perform left shift. This one is lost. This one comes here. This 0 comes here. And this one comes here. And if I perform left shift operation on Q, this one comes here. Okay. Then 1 comes here. 1 comes here. 0 comes here. Okay. Then perform A is equal to A minus A plus M. Why I am performing A is equal to A plus M? Because sign bit of A is 1. Because sign bit of A is 1. So I perform A is equal to A plus M. Value of A is 1011 and M value is 0011 from here. Or from here M value is 0011. So what is the result? 1110. So this is 1110. Then sign bit of A is 1, MSB bit is 1. So Q0 value is 0. Then what is the step 3? This is 111 1100. First left shift. Okay, 1101 100. What is the value of sign bit of A? That is 1. If sign bit of A is 1, perform A is equal to A plus M. So A value is 1101 and M value is 0011. So the result is 4 zeros. Okay, result is 4 zeros. Then check the sign bit of A. This is 0. MSB bit of A is 0. Since it is 0, the Q0 value is 1. Again 401001. This is step 4. Perform the shift operation 0001 001. Since sign bit of A, MSB bit of A is 0, A is equal to A minus M. That is same as A is equal to A plus 2's complement of M. So 0001 plus 2's complement of M is 1101. Here it is there. 1101. Okay. So the result is 1110. So A value is 1110. Since MSB bit of A is 1, Q0 value is changed to 0. Okay. So sign of A is 1. See, sign of A is 1. That is MSB bit is 1. So what I perform? A is equal to A plus M. This is the value of A, 1110. Here A value is 1110 plus M. M value is 0011. So the result is 0001. So remainder is 0001 and quotient is 0010. This is quotient and remainder value is 0001. Okay. So this is the non-restoring division method. Thank you.